Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Saturday night in Blackpool. It's currently 6:30. I'm standing in the middle of the beach doing this intro, and we're going to have a wander around Blackpool, around the illuminations, the light pool, around the pubs and the bars, and see what sights and sounds we can capture on a Saturday night here in Blackpool. Yeah, tide's right out. You can't see much, but I'll show you it. So it's quite windy and it's 11 degrees, nice and dry. So let's go and get a little bit of a walk in and show you what's going on in Blackpool. Here we are at the end of Central Pier. Thought I'd show you the view tonight. Tide coming in very slowly. And yes, is Blackpool going to be busy? Because there's no fireworks. We know it's half term, we know it's Saturday night. But let's have a walk round and see what it's like. So that was a glimpse of Central Pier. Let's see what these streets are like. What do you think so far? Yeah, I'm on the promenade side now, past all the food places and the amusement arcades. Too many people. Look at this side as well. Yes, there's a few people about. People everywhere. Yeah, this is the Lightpool Festival, so this is separate from the illuminations.
Alrighty.
Great to see so many people out and about again. Motorbike fanatics in the group here. So there's a little bit of the illuminations and the light pool. Let's head into the town area now. People taking driving lessons, Blackpool Promenade Saturday night. Sure, you know what the traffic's like on a Saturday night when the illuminations are on. And this is the activity going on at North Pier. Okay, you're in, right. A little bit of pop well there. Oh dear. That pop world used to be flares and it got 3 floors. Used to be really busy in there. It does later on. But yeah, it's a little bit quiet in there now. Yeah, Blackpool Church there, all lit up. I've been doing street market, stroke food hall. Put my head in here, show you in here. Can you open the doors, please? Thank you. DJ in there. Well, there's lots and lots of people about, families. I wouldn't say the party people, they are here, but it's not overloaded with them from what I've seen so far. Churchill's there. And Churchill's is having a load of work done, so it looks like it's closed, but it's not actually closed. It can be deceiving, can't it? If you got close to it, you thought, oh, it's closed up. But yeah, just a lot of work going on. It was getting a bit tatty, to be honest with you, from the front. Anyway, it's not just about looking out for party people, it's just showing you around Blackpool in general on a Saturday night, so it's a bit of everything really. Yeah, you'd think that was closed, wouldn't you, from a distance? It's all quiet on the western front outside Mark Ellis. So yeah, Queen Street, where this recent fire was, and as I thought, it is going to be demolished. Looks like all of it's going to come down, but I haven't been round this way, so I didn't know. But yeah, massive fire we had on the corner here, so that's coming down, thank God. What a mess that's been. Been like that for 20 years since I've been here. Yeah, we wandered down Queen Street. Still rather quiet.
I was born on it. Show me a better
Yes, it's definitely not busy regards party, is it? But it's great to see overall lots of families out and about on the front, hopefully spending some money with the local businesses, and most of all enjoying themselves whatever they're doing. Right, I'm going to leave the video here. So Blackpool, in my mind, is quite busy, mostly families, and hopefully spending some money. And yeah, the party scene was a little bit quiet. I have been walking for 2 hours. I know the video won't be 2 hours long, but I have actually been walking, and I'm starting to flag a little bit now. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll say the pubs and the bars, yeah, a little bit quiet, but I can't create that sort of content. So if you're here at the end and you did like it, don't forget to hit the like button, and we will continue doing these through the rest of autumn and winter, and I'll be out again very soon, but I'm just flagging at the moment. So thank you everybody, and catch you soon. Bye bye for now.